How is the data management is necessary? This is kind of fundamental things that every 3D designer really need to accomplish and doesn't need to headaches, for example, like collaborating with other people. So in this case, we have the mechanical designer working with the industrial designer that I introduced in the last chapter. Okay, in SolidWorks here, we're going to continue on the design on his desktop in SolidWorks, updating the frame sub-assembly. So the first thing that he wants to do is to make sure that no one is going to working on the sub-assembly at the same time as him and overwriting his work. So very quickly, right from the task pane, all this is integrated and he can right click on those sub-assembly and reserve them. So now there's no stepping on each other tools and things like that. And another thing is searching right in the task pane. We can search the entire database of CAD files that have been uploaded to the 3DEXPERIENCE platform, and you can just drag and drop result right into the SolidWorks graphic area to start modeling and making it in place. So what we've done so far very quickly, just added a hash assembly and some propeller to the proportions of the sub-assembly as well. Right away that we can see that notifications on the task pane that the versions that we open locally is not the same as the version on the cloud. So what we need to do is to save the changes on the cloud to synchronize them. And right after that, everyone on the Nemo design team is going to have access to the updated file, and we get the visual confirmations right away. Everyone are on the latest versions. Yeah, so the next thing that we're gonna do is we might wondering, as what we alluded to, what about the shape, the body shape that we designed in S-shape just now? Well, we can search that as well and drag and drop right into the SolidWorks into the assembly. From here, we can check the interferences and make sure everything fits correctly, and the mechanical design can get an idea what he need to notify the industrial designer to update the design. So you can just post to the community. You can just make it a markup right in the 3D preview apps, and not too soon to start adding downstream features to it. This is really important because again, like the master modeling approach, we designed the shape in S shapes here, but we can add all the details features that we want downstream in the features tree inside of SolidWorks. So S-shape geometry comes in a flawless watertight solid ready for extrude, shell, ribs, and any other features necessary to prepare for the product for manufacturing. So what we can see how easy it is connect to two design worlds together into a unified experience, and there's no doubt that really cool tools like S-shapes are so easy to add and update. And at the same time, cloud data management is built for concurrent design. You will avoid sharing conflicts and accidental override, so your team can complete their design faster. And the best part is, they enable hybrid workflow, allowing you to stay in sync while working concurrently.